Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a bit of animation using a little CSS thing called Animate.css. So I'm going to search for this, Animate.css, and that's here. So basically what this does is it allows us to animate any of our elements with little animations like this. Okay, so what I need to do is download it here, and then we put this in our web folder. It's my web folder. Drop that in there. Need to link it. Need to link it in the head of our HTML document. So it's link, and then link through to it here. So it's animate.css. And save. So what we need to do now is have a look on GitHub for additional information. So we've installed it, basic usage. So it says add the class animator to the element you want to animate. You may also include the class infinite for an infinite loop. We don't want to do that. Finally, you need to add one of the following classes. Okay, let's add shake. So I need to do, I'm going to do it to this first heading. So I'm going to add a class. So it's animated and shake. Save this, reload our web page, and the header shakes. Okay, I'm going to add another one to the image down here. I'm going to do rotate in upper left. It's quite a complicated one. So I need to add in a class here. Class equals animated and rotate in upper left. Save this, reload, and it rotates in. However, if I reload at the top, I see this one animate. I don't see this one animate because it's already animated. So I need to find a way where I can trigger this animation as I scroll to it. And luckily enough, there is something available, and it's called wow.js. It's a JavaScript. So this is using animate.css and wow.js to trigger the animations as I scroll to them. Okay, so let's install this. So how to use. So we need to link to the style sheet. We've already done that. We need to link and activate wow.js. So let's get wow.js. That'll be over on GitHub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the whole thing and find the bit that I want. So it's in the dist folder. Dist means distribution. And I'm going to pop this in my web folder. And in fact, I'm going to make a new folder called JS. Pop it in there. So it's the min version, minified version. That's what the min means. So let's go see if we can find some more. Let's go back here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this script because I know that my wow.min.js is inside the JS folder, and I'm going to copy this whole block here. So on one line links the JavaScript file, and the other line initializes it, so it activates it. So copy this. I usually put my JavaScript right at the bottom before the closing body tag, like so. So I'm going to save this. Any more instructions? Yes. We need to, rather than using the animated class, we now use the wow class and the animate.css animation class. So I'm going to change this to wow, change the one at the top to wow, save this, reload the page, and hopefully this will work. Okay, that shakes, and as I scroll, watch for the image, it fades in.